Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get black verification badge on Facebook profile. Alright, let's begin. So all you need are just two apps, and that is VPN LAT and via browser. So the first thing that you are going to do is you're going to open the via browser. So then after opening, you go to the search bar and then you type Facebook or facebook.com. So from there you log into your Facebook account. So this is the account whose profile I'm going to put a black verification badge on. So now on your Facebook profile, you're going to click on the third dash menu on the top right corner. Then from there you scroll down and select settings and privacy, and then select settings. So under settings you select account center. So based on your settings, sometimes it shows at the top or the bottom. Then under account center, you open the profiles that are there. Then you select your Facebook profile. So under that you select name. And now before you make any changes here, you are now going to open your VPN, the VPN LAT. So when you open your VPN, it will show different countries. But then you're going to select Indonesia. So under Indonesia, it will show two servers. But you select ID1 Jakarta, ID1 the first server, and then you connect. So after connecting, now the second thing is to copy this code. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video. So in that code, it contains a part that has your name. So you are going to edit because I'll put the code that bears my Facebook name, but you're going to replace my name with your name. So after copying the code then, now you go back to your Facebook settings where you are stocked. So at the very top where account center is shown, you're going to paste that code there. So you're going to paste it about 4 times. So the first time when you paste that message will show, then even the second time. So you paste until you see the message that shows ignore. So then you select ignore, and then that's it, you will get black badge. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.